The G7500 has a powerful Blackboard feature for use with touchscreen monitors. The G7500 must be connected to a touch-capable monitor, or have a USB mouse plugged in to see the Blackboard icon on the home screen. To start the Blackboard session, tap the Blackboard button on the home screen. The Blackboard feature works both in and out of video calls. It can be used as a blank writing space, as well as for annotation over existing content sent from an iOS or Android device, from an HDMI source, or through the Polycom Content app. The toolbar appears on the left. It features a pen with various thicknesses and 6 colors used to permanently mark content. Users can choose to switch from the default Blackboard to a whiteboard. However, if you are in a video call, it is recommended that you use the Blackboard to avoid brightness adjustment issues with the camera. To bring something to attention briefly, users can select the magic highlighter. The virtual ink fades from the screen after a few seconds. The eraser tool allows users to erase marks made by the pen tool. To remove recent annotations, use the backwards arrow. The snapshot tool allows users to save the current workspace to the local memory to be recalled later during the same meeting. A user can save content by downloading the free Polycom Content app. For online help, select the question mark icon. Many commands can be accessed through the use of different finger movements on the screen that will save time and increase productivity.